So you're needing a security light outside, guys, but have no power, no electricity in the area. Check this out. Solar powered, 3,000 lumens, motion detection, dusk to dawn operation, easy installation, matter of seconds. Here's your mounting bracket, 2 screws. There's one, level him up. Second screw, and watch this. How easy is that? Installed. Solar panel, motion detection, dusk to dawn, 3,000 lumens, adjustable heads. Guys, they come into 1, 2, and 3 packs. Hit that orange shopping cart below and get you some.
Go to Giglig.com, use the search bar, and find your product by name or ID. Quick and easy.